Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Windows 10 in Windows 11 operating system. So this here Windows 11 operating system that's currently I'm using. Now there I'm going to install this Windows 10 inside the Windows 11. To download the Windows 10, here in Google search box write the Windows 10, then go on this Microsoft.com site. Click this. Then here you need to scroll down. Here you can create Windows 10 installation media. Click on this download now. Click on this start download, and here you can see currently this is downloading, and thereafter simply you need to click on this open, and here getting so few things ready. You need to wait for few second times. Now this come there. Let's click on this accept. Option upgrade the PC and this here. So let's click on this create installation media DVD ISO file for another PC. Let's click on this next. Here you can see this that's come there. Use this recommended option. If I uncheck there, you can see you have two options. You can choose this 32 or 64-bit. So from there you can use the 64-bit operating system or 32, or both options are available. So there I'm going to use the 64-bit, and this here you can select your language. Now simply you need to click on this next. Here USB drive, if you want then you can use this, or here I'm going to use the ISO file. ISO file, let's click on this next, and on this desktop there I'm going to download the ISO file. Let's give the name Windows 10. Windows 10, and click on this save. So this here downloading this Windows 10 or inside the Windows 11. So for this one net should be there because this is doing some download. This here or Windows 10 ISO file that's downloaded. Let's click on this finish, and this one here. Here you can see this is the ISO file. So thereafter, I'm going to install this in Windows 11. So here, with the help of this Oracle VirtualBox, that's going to use there. So let's click this new, giving there Windows 10. Windows 10, and let's do the configuration quickly. Okay, this here Windows 10, and here let's go on this. No need to change this option. Let's click this here setup. Let's keep the virtual hard drive, virtual hardware, and let's keep the number of CPU. Specify virtual. So by default 50 GB. Let's keep the till 80 or near to 80, and here after let's click on this finish. Windows 10. Now let's do the right click then setting. Then this here by default this selected disable using their byte action 10 to 11, 11 to 10. Now system this here RAM and this processor, that's fine. Acceleration display storage, let's click on this empty, then click on this disk, choose on the desktop that I downloaded Windows 10, open. Thereafter, no need to change audio this all. Click on OK, then as this selected here, click on this start. Now this here is starting. So this is now starting there. Windows 10 currently installing inside the Windows 11 operating system with the help of VirtualBox. Now thereafter, let's close this here. You can select your language and currency, currency format time. This all looking fine. Let's click on this next and click on this install. So setup is starting there. And if you have the key, then you can give I currently don't have, then giving I don't have a product key. From there, you can select anyone. First, that's fine. Click on next. And here, selecting this option, click on next. Here, install or Windows only and install Windows and keep all the fans setting. So this is for upgrade. Second option that's selecting there. So that's fine. Click on next. And now this here installing the Windows uh, 10 there. So this getting file ready, then this all steps are there.